Alright guys, this is Jack's YouTube here. We gonna start Windows 7 on virtual machine. The last time I tried it, it was an error. So let's do it this time with new VM. Check this out. The VM is gonna be installing this one over there. Or just this one then. But yeah. I go to virtual machine here. Windows 7 High School, Jason High School VM. We're gonna open the drive here. Make sure I have 1 GB RAM like in different video, I guess. I don't know. Okay, alright. Are you right back? 5 minutes later. You gotta see here, the Windows 7 has ended video, the old title. Cause Windows 7 destroyed by VM. And 400 megabytes of RAM. But I have 1.2 megabytes of RAM. You got a chipset, no TBM, US tablet. Now, let's start this thing up. Power VM. And here it is, the virtual machine. Oh, and make sure do scare mode. So put hold C, called right shift C. Oh, wiggle C. Okay, what? I think I'll trigger it out. I think. There he goes. English, United States. Click next. Click install now. Server starting. With some home previous back 1. That's the first virtual machine. And now after this virtual machine, next up is the next virtual machine. Custom 32 gigabytes of RAM. And there you go, it's like 8%. Close it out. Power off. And now we're checking out the new virtual machine. Now we clear virtual machine, tools, add, no, create. Increase to 33 gigabytes of RAM. And no, not gonna do that. Let's remove it and replace. I would like 45. There we go. To go our new virtual machine. There we go. Now we got a new virtual machine. Let's go to 39. There we go. No. Whoa. Oh, just an exclamation mark. But yeah, this is it. Now we power to VM. But first, let's change the storage to this one to the new one. And now this is the old one I just downloaded. And that's a new one. Right over there. was started once again. There it is. I kept the keyboard. What? What? How? How the fuck should we die like this? How the old virtual machine died on me? So that's been deleted because the old Windows 7 High School JBS VM is dead. Woo! 5 minutes later. Alright, I'm back, and that's a new virtual machine going to install. Press started and watch out virtual machine again. And that's what we can mess up. Here goes, click C. Shit, no, click C. That's kind of this. Starting Windows, it didn't make Windows yet, but yeah. We're in a different virtual machine now. Install now. The phase one more time. We're going to start recording it down for Ultimate. Okay, object, next, custom, put it together, gig. Sell a continue. What do we send a copy? Oh, okay. And this podcast is gonna be timed as well. Create a new account. Make it and again. Blue, wet, yellow, inquiry. Make Windows logo. Windows 7 logo. Anyways, to do titles, you can start an account. Cheers! Almost there, come on!
Windows files new settings. Oh yay, finally!
Yay! Yay! Woo! Prepare new desktop. Oh my gosh, finally! After months, we found back on Windows 7 on the VM. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, finally in the desktop now. Ugh. But anyways, one last, we're doing stop recording soon. We'll click all these apps. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You also install VMbox 3D tools of camera. Wow. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye now.